everyone, and welcome to learning how to make watercolor paints. The paint making process can be easy once you know what you are doing. In this process, you will see how to make an iridescent watercolor. The process is the same with traditional colors as well. The materials you will need are a glass sheet, a muller, a palette knife, glycerin, honey, gum arabic, a small spoon for measuring, half pans to store the paint in, and in this case, mica powder to determine color. I will be showing two processes in this video. The first step you are going to take is grabbing your mica powder. I am using the color coffee. You will take 1 scoop out and place it in a mound in the middle of the glass sheet. Make a small divot in the middle of this mica mound. Next, take some gum arabic and with a similar size small spoon, pour a 1-to-1 ratio in the divot in the mound. Some may spill out of the mound. That is okay. Next, add about 4 drops of glycerin into the gum arabic. Now you begin mixing the fluids with the mica powder. During this process, you may notice the mixture is still pretty thick. I ran into this struggle multiple times. All you need to do to fix it is to add in some gum arabic until you get a smooth consistency as you see here. After you are happy with the consistency, take your muller and grind the paint in circles or figure eights. This will ensure a smooth consistency in the paint. My glass is not totally smooth, and you will notice my muller gets hooked up in some areas. Just lift the muller up and keep grinding until you are happy. Scrape off the extra paint on the muller and then grab the half pans and fill them with the paint you made. Make sure to have extra pans as you may have made more paint than you intended to make. Now we are going to repeat this process with the lilac mica powder. The difference you will notice with this one is I included honey in the wet process. The honey should only be the size of the tip of your palette knife. You do not need a lot of honey. The glycerin and the honey keep the mixture wet for longer and give a more fluid consistency when the paint is re-wet. If in this process you notice your paint is too fluid, go ahead and add more mica powder to thicken the fluid back up. It's a delicate balance between mica powder and gum arabic, but as you practice, you will get used to the feel of the paint that is best. When you are all done making paint, leave the colors out to dry for about 2 to 3 days in the same pans before use. The best way to tell when they are done is to touch them. If the pan gives in any way, it is still wet. The outside part of the paint will dry faster than the paint inside the pan. Here is all the paints I made today. I hope you had a lot of fun making paint with me, and let me know if you use this process to make your own paint in the comments below.